Now we will see Hop, Skip and Jump Junior KG, my first book of handwriting. In this you need to trace the letters and write the alphabet in 4 lines, capital letter and small letter. This is a 4-line book which you need to write the letters. Next there is Junior KG, my second book of art and craft. In art and craft there is like fun with colors, you need to color. This is a coloring book. You need to color the pictures. Next there is cursive letter book. Here you need to write the alphabets in cursive letters. You need to trace here and write the alphabets. Next you have this book of stories. First one is The Clever Kina. Long, long ago, there lived a clever bird, Kina. One hot day, she was thirsty. She flew here and there in search of water. Soon she saw a pot. She flew down to the pot. She could see some water in it. Kina tried to push her head into the pot to reach the water. The water was at the bottom of the pot. Kina had an idea. She saw some pebbles. She started dropping the pebbles into the pot one by one. Soon the water came up in the pot. Kina drank the water and flew away happily. Fun time. Draw pebbles in the pot. You can draw pebbles here. Next, the story is The Ants and the Grasshopper. Once upon a time, there lived a grasshopper and some ants in the garden. The grasshopper was lazy. He sang and danced all day. The ants worked hard. Every day they carried food to their anthill. The lazy grasshopper made fun of the ants. Soon summer was over and winter came. The grasshopper had no food to eat. The grasshopper asked the ants to give him some food. The ants were kind and helpful. They felt sorry for grasshopper and gave him food. The grasshopper thanked the ants. Next summer, the grasshopper began to work hard. Then the magic lamp. Long, long ago, there lived 3 friends, the elephant, the crocodile and the giraffe. One day, a genie appeared before them. The genie said, I can do whatever you ask me to do. Make a wish. Each one had something to ask for. Elephant asked, give me a smaller trunk please. Giraffe said, I wish I had a smaller neck. Alright, said the genie. And the crocodile asked, I want long legs like the giraffe. The elephant, the crocodile and the giraffe got what they wished for, but the elephant said, oh no, I can't spray water. I can't even eat sugarcane. My long trunk was good. And the crocodile said, and I am not able to hide in the water. Giraffe said, oh no, with my neck so small, I can't reach the tall branches. Help us please. We do not want to be like this. The genie once again granted their wishes. Fun time. How many animals can you spot in the picture? Can you name them? You can name. Next there is a story, The Rats and the Elephants. Once upon a time, there lived a large number of rats under a tree. One day, a herd of elephants came that way and destroyed the homes of the rats. The rats were very scared. They ran to their king. The king of the rats requested the elephant's king to ask his herd to follow another route. The elephant king agreed. The lives of the rats were saved. One day, a group of hunters came to the forest. They trapped the herd of elephants in their huge nets. The elephant king asked the king of the rats for help. The king of the rats said, "Do not be afraid. I will set your friends free." The king of the rats called all the rats for help. They cut open the nets with their sharp teeth. The elephants were set free. They thanked the rats. Then comes the unhappy peacock. A peacock was very unhappy with his voice. One day he complained to the fox, "My feathers are so beautiful. If only I had a sweet voice." The fox tried to cheer him up, but peacock still remained unhappy. "It's true that you can't sing, but you are very beautiful," said the fox. The peacock said, "Oh, but what good is all this beauty when I cannot sing?" "Oh dear," said the fox, "you are so beautiful. Be happy with what you have. Be happy with what you have," said the fox to the peacock. Fun time, color this peacock. Next, the honest woodcutter. Long, long ago, there lived a poor woodcutter. One day, as he was cutting wood, his axe fell into the river. "Oh no, how will I work without an axe?" cried the woodcutter. All of a sudden, a fairy appeared. "Is this yours?" she asked, holding up a silver axe. "No," replied the woodcutter. "Is this yours?" the fairy asked, holding up a gold axe. "No," said the woodcutter. "Is this yours?" asked the fairy, holding up a wooden one. "Yes, yes," cried the woodcutter, happy to have axe back. "You spoke the truth, so take the gold and silver axes too," said the fairy. The woodcutter was happy. Fun time. You need to color here. Yeah, this completes Junior KG, my second book of stories book. Now we will see the contents of my second book of rhymes and songs. In this there are rhymes: 2 little feet, 10 little fingers. Then there is head, shoulders, knees and toes. Just to be me. Next, good manners. Knock at the door. Toothbrush. After a bath. Washing day. My family. Mary had a little lamb. Hot cross buns. 5 sticky lollipops. Patter cake. Little Jack Horner. I am a little teapot. Polly put the kettle on. Chop, chop, choppity chop. Then there is the clock. Miss Polly had a dolly. The hen had a chicken. I know a duck. The little froggy. Butterfly, butterfly. This little bird. Hello, Mr. Bunny Rabbit. At the zoo. Wheels on the bus. The crook train, twinkle twinkle traffic light, rainbow song, rain on the green grass, and also a little seed for me to sow. These are the contents of Rhymes and Songs book.